In this problem, you're being asked to identify parallel and perpendicular lines. Before you begin, it's important to remember that parallel lines have the same slope but different y-intercepts, and perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. So for example, if one of the lines had a slope of 2, the other line would need a slope of -1/2 to be perpendicular. So in this problem, we really need to identify the slopes so we can compare them in each line. And line 3 is already in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b form. So let's get the other two lines in that form. Line 2, you would just have to divide both sides by 3. Dividing the left by 3, they would cancel. Dividing the right side by 3, you would have -5/3 x plus 4/3. The slope there is -5/3. In the first equation, we have a little more work to do. We have to get the x term on the right, first of all, and then divide everything by 10. So subtract the x term from both sides, and then dividing both sides by 10. And now you would want to simplify -6/10 because 2 goes into that to -3/5 and x minus 3/5 again. Sorry, I'm squished in there. So comparing line 1 to line 2, the slope is -3/5 compared to -5/3. Those are reciprocals, but they're not opposites. Both of those slopes are negative, so that would be neither parallel or perpendicular. Comparing line 2 to line 3, the slopes are identical, but the y-intercepts are different, so those would be parallel because the slopes were the same and they had different y-intercepts. And then comparing line 1 and line 3, those would be neither because the slope -3/5 and -5/3, while they're reciprocals, they are not opposites.